Hey everyone. If you're using an iPhone, chances are you've come across this strange issue where your phone suddenly gets stuck on the screen saying, Home would like to send you critical alerts. The screen freezes, and no matter what you do, it just doesn't respond. It's super frustrating, right? But don't worry, I've got a 100% working solution that's quick and easy. This fix will help you restart your iPhone and get rid of the frozen screen or stuck alert issue once and for all. So here's what you need to do. Simply force restart your iPhone. Yes, that's the key. And don't worry if you're not sure how to do it, I'll walk you through it step by step. First, quickly press and release the volume up button. Then, quickly press and release the volume down button. Now, press and hold the side power button. Keep holding it until you see the Apple logo appear on your screen. Once the Apple logo shows up, you can release the button. Your iPhone will now restart, and the screen that was frozen or stuck on the critical alerts message will be gone. Just like that. Problem solved. This method works on most iPhone models, especially the newer ones like iPhone 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and even the latest iPhone 15. It's a simple yet powerful trick to fix random freezes, alerts, or system glitches that can pop up unexpectedly. So if your iPhone ever freezes again or gets stuck on a pop-up like this, don't panic. Just follow these steps and you'll be back to normal in under a minute.